Okay, so apparently if you add a source in NotebookLM that is a YouTube video, you can actually play the video in the notebook now. The way it used to work was if you had a source that was a YouTube video, you click on the source and then it just shows the transcript, which it still does, but now it actually embeds the video and you can play the video within NotebookLM. So let me go back into, so there's a YouTube video in here in the trigonometry class notebook. The rest of this doesn't matter, but this source right here is a YouTube video. And if I click on it, this is just the summary. That's not really interesting for this video. And all of this here, this is the transcript of the video, which is what it used to do. But now what it also does is at the top, it embeds the video. And I'm not sure if the sound will come through, but I'm going to actually play this.
In this video, I want to give you the basics of trigonometry. Trigonometry. And it sounds like a very complicated topic, but you're going to see that it's really just the study of the ratios of sides of triangles. The trig part of
Okay, yeah, it was a little loud, so I had to turn that down. But I could watch the whole video if I wanted to. Like that, the video is in here, and I can actually watch the video. Definitely didn't do that before, and it's not something that it doesn't really have much use right now besides you just wanting to watch the video from within here. Like I can't do anything extra with chat or make anything extra with these artifacts with it. And the way, let me see. So if I go in and add a source, it says in here, yeah, only the text transcript will be imported at the moment. So everything that it uses in here is only from the actual text from the video. So the only value of the video, again, is just if you want to watch the video and it's like, I forgot what was in that. Maybe it's an hour-long video and you wanted to see something in the middle. I mean, they're changing these tools all the time, so it wouldn't surprise me if in, a month, a week, or by the time you watch this video, they change it where it's doing more than just pulling the transcript. But it definitely didn't embed the videos before where you could watch them. So that may or may not be interesting to you, but this was just a quick one because I saw that the other day, and I'm just like, wait a minute, that wasn't there before. So I wanted to call that out in case you maybe use NotebookLM and you didn't know that was a thing. So that's it. I hope you found that valuable, and see you next time.